Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. Today I will be sharing with you another weight loss tips video. It has been a little while since I did upload the last one. Today I thought I would make it a little different and share with you guys through my own trial and error what has helped me the most. If you do this one thing, you are going to see results. If you are on a weight loss journey, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all my future videos because I share so many tips and tricks on how to lose weight. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna get into it right away. I'm not gonna keep it for the end of the video. Let's just get into it right away. If you are finally willing to drop those pounds, this is what you need to do. You need to change your mindset. Now, I know that might seem so simple, but trust me, it is not. It is actually the hardest thing to do when it comes to losing weight. Through my own trial and error, I have seen how doing this one thing is what has given me the most results. If you start focusing on your health, instead of focusing on weight loss, that is when you are going to see results, and let me explain to you why. Let me give you a quick example just to help you understand what I am saying. So let's say you have a big sweet tooth just like I do, and there is this delicious chocolate cake sitting right in front of you. If you change your mindset and instead of thinking, I am not allowed to eat this piece of cake because if I do, I am going to gain weight, change that into, I don't want this piece of cake because it is not good for me. If I eat this and if I keep eating all these desserts, I am going to develop health issues. I might develop diabetes, high cholesterol, heart disease, and I don't want that for myself. I want to live a long and healthy life. That switch of thoughts is what really has changed the game for me. When you stop putting this mental pressure on yourself of restricting all the foods that you don't want because you're not allowed, which I mean in the end just makes you want it more. So if you stop being so hard on yourself that you're not allowed to eat all these things, if you change that and understand that that's not where the real problem is, it's not that you're not allowed to eat it, it's that you don't want to eat it. So there it is, you guys. There is the biggest secret to losing weight. I know some people just want to look for a quick fix. I can just tell you, eat one meal a day for 30 days and you'll drop 20 pounds. Sure, maybe that'll happen. But what's going to happen once those 30 days are over? You are going to gain it all back, and if not more. And trust me, I have been there, and I'm sure this has happened to you as well, where you finally see some results, but then you just gain it back, and if not more. It is time to stop doing what you've always been doing and change it up. Change your mindset and you are going to see results. So I'm not just going to let you off like this. For the rest of today's video, now I am going to actually share with you how to change your mindset and actually start prioritizing your health instead of losing weight. So the number one thing when it comes to taking care of your health and losing weight is your nutrition. So I am actually going to teach you about nutrition and how to use it to your advantage to not only fuel your body with the vitamins and nutrients that it needs, but also to lose weight. So the number one thing that you need to do to lose weight is be in a caloric deficit. Now, I have already made a whole video sharing my biggest secrets that helped me be in a caloric deficit, so I definitely recommend checking out that video if you are interested in knowing more. But if I can kind of explain to you quickly what that is and how that helps you lose weight. So in order to lose weight, you need to eat fewer calories than what your body is using every day in order to complete its daily functions. The energy that your body uses in order to digest food and just all of its daily functions, it uses calories to do that. So if you are eating less calories than what it needs, it is going to force your body to go into your fat reserves and get the extra calories there. Don't always try to fit the food that you're eating every single day into your calories. Because for example, in order for me to lose weight, I need to be eating around 1400 calories a day. So if I go to McDonald's and order a trio Big Mac with a large fry and a large Coke, that is going to be about 1400 calories, right? But at the same time, is that taking care of my health? Is all of that fat and sodium in this food going to really feed my body with what it really needs? The answer is no. So that's why it's important to not only look at calories when you are trying to lose weight, also focus on your health. Another tip that I really find helps me stay on track with my caloric deficit while really prioritizing healthy foods and feeding my body with what it really needs is meal prep. Now, this is probably something you have already heard about, but I want to explain to you why it is so important and how it just will help you so much when it comes to losing weight. So I want you to picture yourself in this situation that I'm about to describe to you, because I can pretty much guarantee you that you have been in this situation, just like I have and everyone else. So lunchtime is arriving and you are really hungry, but you're in a rush. You don't have time to start cooking yourself up a healthy dinner. So what do? You pick up the quickest thing that will feed you so you can run out the door. And that quick thing is normally something that is not very healthy. If you are in a rush, you are less likely to just grab an apple instead of grabbing a cookie or something that is going to fill you up more. Am I right? I know I am right. So if you meal prep and have these healthy meals that are already ready for you and that are also already calculated when it comes to your calories, it will be easy just to grab that and go. I have recently filmed my favorite meal prep recipe. Make sure to go ahead and watch it if you want an idea of what you can make. You can meal prep your breakfast, your lunch, your supper, and also, by the way, doing it that way can also help save you money. The last thing I wanted to mention when it comes to your nutrition is supplements. And the reason why I left this little part for the end is because you can't rely on supplements to lose weight. I hear so many people saying, you know, take this powder or take this pill and you will just drop weight. That is just not true. If you are not taking care of your nutrition and lowering your calories every day, but you do take this supplement, you are just not going to lose weight. So taking supplements can help you out, but don't only rely on them. I actually just filmed my updated supplement routine. I highly suggest you guys going to see it, because in that video, I really share with you everything that I'm taking and the reasons why I'm taking each of them. Now let's get into the second thing that you need to do in order to take care of your health, and that will at the same time help you lose weight, and that is, of course, to move your body. Now, I don't necessarily like using the word workout. I prefer saying move your body, because when I say workout, that just makes me think of me going to the gym, lifting weights, and being on the treadmill, and that is just not the case. I am someone who personally does not like going to the gym. I find it very boring and repetitive, but I do love to move my body, get my heart racing, sweat a little. It just makes me feel amazing. So I had to think of a way to do that without going to the gym, and I realized that you can do other physical activities that will make you work out without going to lift weights. So especially now in the summer, I have been loving going for walks, going for runs, going bike riding, going to play tennis, going for hikes. It really doesn't matter what it is. It's just important that you move your body. Even on days where I don't feel like I have the energy to really, you know, go for a run, I will just do a quick yoga session that is only 15 minutes. But after that, I still feel so good because I moved my body. Getting your heart up is amazing for your health. Stop thinking about, oh, I need to work out in order to lose weight. Working out is amazing for your cardiovascular system. I'm telling you guys, it's all about changing what is up here. Once you do that, you are going to see results. So that is it for today's video. I really hope it helped you guys out. I'm telling you, give it a try. I know it might not be something that you would have wanted to hear, but it's something that you had to hear. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if it helped you out, it will really help my channel out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe to see all my future weight loss videos. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye.